Alright, I'm going to do an emergency activation. I'm going to push and hold my orange button, my emergency button. Radios are programmed for a 750 millisecond push, so I'm going to go ahead and activate now. Right now we're going to have a 10-second hot mic. That's when we would give our lunar. If you notice on the top of the screen, it was orange, indicating that there was an emergency. Your light's going to flash SOS. And every time you key up, it's going to retransmit an emergency on the dispatch console, which is a good thing because it gives you priority. When you are done with your emergency, you simply press and hold the top button for 3 seconds. When you hear that beep, your radio has been reset, so when you key up, it will no longer transmit an emergency over that channel. It will be best practices for when you push your Mayday button or your emergency button, press and hold. You have a hot mic for 10 seconds. What I advise the officers is to train for your guys to keep the radio keyed up until you're done with your lunar. That way your hot mic, if your lunar goes past your hot mic, it will still be captured to continue transmitting. Reset. Good.